Zombie apocalypse.
What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So today we are playing Roblox Jailbreak once again. So in this episode I am going to be showing you guys one or two, it is two I think, two new secret updates in Jailbreak. As you guys might know, or you might do not know about the Roblox battles event going on now. Basically RB battle is called season 2. So basically there are a bunch of YouTubers that are competing for 1 million Robux and a lot of other after dress up वगैरह. So it is for that there is Jailbreak is one of the games that will be played through for the battle, or you guys might say competition. So there are some stuff that you guys can also earn from Roblox Jailbreak. Let me just quickly show you. I am just getting my layout, but for one of these you guys will need a sniper rifle, and you guys might also need for one of them you guys also need a helicopter or a drone or a jetpack. But from the drone it would be really hard, so basically use a helicopter or a jetpack. That is much easier. I'm just taking my way to the going to the drone. And number 1, do you guys see this right over here? See this? This is just a finger pointing at this direction, and this just points at this house or this house or this house or this house or at the volcano city base. A lot of stuff, but that is one of the secrets I think. So let me just quickly guys take you to the secret number 2. There will be some hidden stuff. There are 3 swords that you guys can get from the Roblox battle event. And why did I jump out there? I don't know why did I. There are 3 swords that you guys can get. So basically those 3 swords are really good looking. I have not got the standard process to get one of them. Only one of them is known to how to get one of them, but not the second one or third one. So let me just quickly go over here. Most of the Roblox players or Jailbreak players think that the second sword is in Jailbreak or third sword, because let me just quickly show you. Roblox is a part of the Jailbreak is I said Roblox is a part of the Roblox battles accidentally. Jailbreak is a part of the Roblox battles because there is an event thumbnail in the video. It's in the Jailbreak photo or thumbnail for Roblox, which says Jailbreak. The name comes and the photo of the game. It says Jailbreak. In top right it says event. And the second secret is in the most unexpected spot. This was found by me. I just came up. Everyone was looking for something. I was just roaming around here, and I saw this little red dot. It says RB. But if I go to my sniper and if I zoom in, and I need to go a little bit back, where it is, yes, it is an target. So if you guys, sometimes it is registered as a hit. Rarely it registers as a hit. For me it registered as a hit for like 4 times, but at that time I was not recording. After that it is showing the bullet mark and not recording for some reason. It's not So in the hit marker, like yes, okay, I can't right click in this, I forgot. Like they are right over here. Okay, I can't hit them. So no, my drone again, I locked it, but for 2 minutes it just went away. Why? Just because I sit in this stupid flying looking helicopter. So I need to get my drone once again, and let me just quickly go over here. And they robbed the bank without me. Sad. Let me just quickly get that drone. Quickly get the drone and rob some museum or J store or power plant. From here the Lamborghini can't go anymore because there's a huge cliff, as you guys can see right over here. So jetpack, no, don't get stuck. Just gliding my way to the drone. 1 minion shop. And as you guys can see, I am in level 46. That means I'm really 0.1 seconds. Really, I'm really close to the nuke, but it is taking a very long time for me to get to the nuke. I hope I can get there. Wait a second. Free 1500 rupees. Come over here. It's free. No, they are going to rob the power plant without me. No. No. Bye. Goodbye. 1500. This does not give you any XP, but the power plant does. So I'm going to the power plant. Please don't be robbing it without me. Okay, great. They are not robbing the power plant without me. And let me just quickly park right over here. Turn around a little bit. Go over here and park it right over here. And quickly just make my way to the hacking area or broken wire area, whatever you call it. I am lost. I don't know. In the chat, sorry. And why does a power plant need this type of security? I don't know. Still, this is just a game. And why is there a person so anyone could get that very precious uranium? Because 1 gram of uranium is like 20,000, 30,000, like that. Uranium? No. Why? Why? Just why? Why? Just why? Why did I become a noob suddenly? Why? Just why? I'm not sad about the XP. I'm not sad about the 5,000 rupees. I am sad about the XP. Because jailbreak takes a long time to get the XP, and power plant is the only robbery that gives you like this much XP. So it is very precious, and my drone is also gone. This is so frustrating. Please don't tell me you are stuck over here. You can't go over this small little ledge. And they are robbing the museum without me. Great. Great times 10. Wait. I forgot I have bought this. This is much faster. Why should not I drive this? And boom. Bada bing, bada boom. Are you serious? Are you serious? Serious back. Who have seen Harry Potter TV don't know who is Serious back. So let me just quickly make my way to the museum. And after robbing the museum, and after being a complete noob and showing you guys the secrets of this new RB battle, I will not end the video because I have one more thing to say. So you guys. Wow, they lied that they died. Sad. Why I am so unlucky. This recording is just going absolutely unlucky for me. Wow. It can't make it like this, but if I go sideways, it can make it. I'm not even beached. Oh, I am. Wait a second. I am front wheel dive now. Then how did I get stuck? If I was back wheel dive, and that would be much more logical that I got stuck and someone is calling me. I will be just right back, guys. BRB. And be right back. Sorry for the call. So guys, I am back and let me just quickly show you guys this one. So this is the Roblox battle page or RB battles page. Why it is taking so much time? Just load already. It is loading by a pixel by a pixel. Why? Just load. Just load and let me see what is this message. Means let me remove this message. And yes. Why? I need to load Chrome for once again. This is lagging a lot. Sorry for that, guys. Roblox load up. Okay, why did you go to Roblox.promo codes event Roblox battle? Yes, it is loading much faster. As you guys can see, this is the list of the players that will be battling against to win that battle back champion. Okay, be the battle back champion. So here's Dennis, Kennedy, Kelly, Snatch, Creekcraft, and Creekcraft was the last Roblox battle winner, so he has an upper hand. And I don't know, Tarkut, and Preston, Hyper, Kerry, I don't know, I am Sana, I don't know. So they, as you guys can see, these are all the games, and Jailbreak is one of them. So I think Tendor, I don't remember I can't pronounce his name properly. So he's a very try-hard player. He was not in the last RB battle. He's a very hard, a lot hard try-hard player. So he's definitely going to go ahead and make it to the championship match, the final match, and he is going to defeat Preston like, I don't know who will win from these two because I don't know name. So mostly the big battle will be between Tankor and Krika. So here are some items. So these items made for, okay, these two items are I think free. Let me just go get them. Yes, this one is free also. Why don't it is just free? Get now. I did not have this for some reason. Back and go over here. Complete the quest. Once you have unlocked all 12 event badges in the participant tournament games, return to the event badge room in the RB battles game to receive, including winner wins. So these are the winner wins. Find the swords. So I know where this sword is, but these two swords are somewhere hidden. Mostly one of them is definitely in jailbreak, I think, and these two are anchor horns. So if you if you complete this 12 events, so you will get this two. First will get this 12,000. First 10,000 will get this antler horns, golden antler horns, and first 30 will get this hood of champion. Wow. So this is the teaser, and right over here this is all qualification players, qualifying players. So this is the Roblox Battle Championship 2 trailer. So let's see it. Please don't get me copyrighted. I'm going to mute if it gets me copyrighted. So I will have my own music. As you guys can see, these are some of the players. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And they were all the participants when in the countdown. So just we have came up over here, and this is a very high detailing video. They took a lot of time in their Roblox. They are a huge company, they can easily make this. And these are some of the 3 of the participant players, or the judges, I think. As you guys can see, these are the fans. Back right over here, there is one of the players. I don't know who this is. He is getting ready to fight versus he and C and anyone else. Hello. Yes, Preston. This is Preston because he has the Preston logo and fire wings. And these are the VIP audience, I think. Let's see. VIP now, yes. So this is basically an army of players that will just fight for the Roblox championship. And this is the whole. If I show this whole fully, and I will get a copyright strike, so skip forward a little bit. It is just like this Roblox battle, and I need to come over here. I need to see this part right over here. This, can you guys see it? Or these are all the 2 lives. So to complete them, so we will need to get them to get this one. I think this one is for everyone or only one. It's either for everyone or only one. These 3 are the swords. And same face every time. Blue. And this is the hood of champion, 360 version of it. So you come over here. This is the golden slick chain that we will get awarded if you vote the right player. I am going to show you guys that soon. And see, they were supposed to, let me just see, did I miss it? There was a teaser right over here or somewhere. At the end of the fight, yes. This is Preston versus someone. And wait for it. Yes, this is the end. That was Creekcraft versus that Tunkor or that one. That was the ending one. So Roblox has said by themselves it will be between those two. So let me just quickly go back to the Roblox event page and show you guys this. So you guys can actually vote. Wait a second. Where is the voting part? Hello? Where did the voting part went? Hello? We are supposed to vote. Did the voting part end? And I did not even got to vote? No, that can't be it. Okay, I will check that later. I think it has ended. LOL, I can't get a chance to get that. No. So guys, this will be it for this episode. I will see you in another episode. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like and do all notifications so you guys will be notified whenever one of my new videos comes. So bye. Have a great day.